Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Kagura Anime Vanguard, easy method. Start by opening the event tab and reading the bonus objectives carefully, then pick a team that covers damage, healing, and debuff removal. Focus on the 2 stages that drop the event tokens and repeat the easier one until you reach the token goal. Use boosters and a friend assist to speed completion and claim rewards from the event menu as soon as thresholds are hit. Assemble a reliable 3-person squad with 1 tank, 1 healer, and 1 damage dealer, and focus on synergy over star level. Level key skills and equip items that increase crit or skill potency to shorten fights. If you have a relic or consumable that improves drop chances, slot it for event runs. Rotate characters to avoid fatigue and use friend assists for a small but useful boost to success rates. Focus on the easiest stage that reliably drops the event tokens to maximize efficiency, and repeat it until you hit the required amount. Use auto battle only after confirming your team wins quickly without manual input, and consider a short buff rotation before each run to speed clears. Monitor your stamina or energy so you don't waste potential runs, and use any limited time boosters during peak farming sessions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.